Guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Ian at All Out Adventure Scotland. Today's video we're going to be doing a little look at the DJI Mini 3 Pro drone. It's intended just for what I got it for, is obviously to get out and about doing the adventure stuff that I do. Most importantly, out adventure riding. So we'll see how we got on with it. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and if you do enjoy the content, if you've got any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Everything to the kit and all that I'll just put in the description box as well. So yeah, let's get after it. So guys, yeah, the DJI Mini 3 Pro drone with its active track capability. I specifically went with this because I'd already read the reviews, watched some videos on it, and it looks like a decent piece of kit for what I intend to use it for. So getting out to paddleboards, getting out in the hills, doing a bit of running stuff, and most importantly getting out an adventure bike with it. So getting this attached to the KTM 890 Adventure R, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. I bought this relatively cheap for $900 as a pack on eBay, and it's only been used a couple of times, and so far no issues, all in good order. Came with the bag. Inside I've got the RC controller. I went for the RC controller so I don't need to be messing about with attaching mobile phones and stuff to it. And then on the back you've got your little joystick handles as well, they just screw into the front of it. Again, quite lightweight, pretty easy to use. I've also went and fitted a quad lock universal mounting adapter onto the back, which I'm going to use in conjunction with the KTM, and I've got a quad lock fitted to the handlebars along with the vibration damper. So we'll see how we got on with that, and we'll give it a run out. Also as part of the kit, I've got the Fly More kit, so 2 extra batteries plus the charging unit, and then obviously the drone itself with a battery fitted. The other good thing about the DJI Mini 3 series is the fact that it comes in at a weight of 249 grams, which is under the threshold for licensing and registering the drone. So I can pretty much go out and fly this anywhere I want within reason. Obviously you need to take into account locality of airports and flight lines and that kind of stuff, but reasonably lightweight, and all fits together in this little bag. This wee bag's great. Once all the kit's inside it, there's still loads of additional room left over, so I've managed to get my Castle V50 Elite in here as well with the spare batteries, and then all the extra cabling and stuff in it as well. So yeah, as a kit, fantastic. I've been out and played about with it already. I've linked it to my phone and I've got to start knowing my way around. And to be honest, from the reviews I've already read, it pretty much does everything it says in the book. It pretty much flies itself. So once you get it set up, you get confident with the controls, getting it up into the air, it will hover in the same spot. You don't need to do much with it. And so far so good. I'm quite impressed with it. We'll just need to see how the battery life's going. I might have to upgrade to the extended battery life pack, which takes it over the 250 grams. However, where I ride, where I intend to go with this, it shouldn't be much of an issue. So yeah, it's just one to bear in mind. But as it comes as a pack, it is under that 249 gram threshold. Obviously you've got your different modes and stuff on there, and again it's pretty simple to learn. I've managed to master this in a couple of hours. Get the screen on, link it up to the drone itself, and then just go through the different modes and play about with it. I took it outside, got it up in the air, got the active track locked on. You can watch this little video hereafter, and it done a pretty good job. The obstacle avoidance on it was active as well, but that's only offered at a certain frame rate, so again it's something you'll have to play about with. Once you go into 4K at 60 frames per second, the obstacle avoidance feature is not on, so you would have to, if you want to film in 4K at 60 frames per second, you would need to be in quite an open area. So from what I've seen on it so far, I'm pretty impressed. You've got your different modes on there. So you've got your normal mode, which is it's preset, and then you've got your cinematic for getting those cinematic shots, and then sport mode. Again, if you flip to sport mode, it takes the obstacle avoidance feature off of it, which isn't ideal, but it does let you set up active track. And again, if you're in an open area on a dirt bike for instance, and you stuck it into sport mode, it would allow you to track at a much higher speed. So yeah, fantastic. On the back you've got your different buttons and stuff. Again, I mean, I'm no expert in drones, but so far you've got your gimbal operation controls here, and then you've got your operations on the top, just like a gaming handset, to be honest, flicking between video and then taking still pictures as well. So yeah, all in, fantastic little piece of kit. We'll see how we go with it. I'm going to get it onto the bike this weekend, out the dirt, and then yeah, we'll see how it goes, and I'll give you some feedback at the end. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoyed the videos of the footage that I get. Again, if you're new to my channel, give us a subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and more to follow. Thanks for watching.